On a peaceful little farm lived a hardworking little red hen. Every morning she woke up early with the sunrise. She cleaned the farm, watered the plants, and worked happily all day long. Nearby lived her three lazy friends, a sleepy cat, a noisy duck, and a playful dog. While the little red hen worked, they preferred resting and playing. One sunny morning, the little red hen discovered a few golden wheat seeds lying near the barn. Her eyes sparkled with excitement. With these seeds, we can make delicious bread. She turned to her friends and asked kindly, "Who will help me plant the wheat?" The cat yawned lazily. "Not I." The duck flapped her wings. "Not I." The dog stretched sleepily. "Not I." The little red hen smiled softly. "Then I will do it myself." Days passed. The little red hen carefully watered the wheat every single day. Plant the seeds nice and slow, watch the golden wheat fields grow. Plant the seeds nice and slow, watch the golden wheat fields grow. Soon, tall golden wheat danced in the breeze. Again she asked, "Who will help me harvest the wheat?" But once again, "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the duck. "Not I," said the dog. So the little red hen harvested the wheat all alone. Next, she carried the wheat to the mill to make the flour. The journey was long and difficult, but still none of her friends helped her. At last, the flour was ready. The little red hen happily began baking warm, fresh bread. Soon, a delicious smell filled the entire farm. The cat's nose twitched. The duck hurried over. The dog ran excitedly, their mouths watered with hunger. The little red hen placed the golden bread carefully on the table. Then she asked gently, "Who will help me eat this delicious bread?" Suddenly, all three shouted loudly, "I will! I will!" But the little red hen looked at them calmly. When I needed help, nobody came. The animals lowered their heads in shame. They finally understood their mistake. The little red hen smiled kindly. Hard work is important, and everyone must do their part. From that day onward, the cat, duck, and dog began helping around the farm every single day, and together they shared many happy meals ever after. And so, the farm learned an important lesson. If you want to enjoy the reward, you must also help with the work. Please like, share, and subscribe WonderTaleBox. See you in the next episode.